Hey there, sports card fans. I have another box. Whoops, almost dropped it. Of 1990-91 Fleer basketball. And I got, let me put this light on. I got a comment on one of my last videos saying that I should show the cards more when I'm opening them. When I open them, I thought I had been showing them enough, only showing like the star cards or the good rookies or inserts or whatever. But I guess I hadn't, so I will try to like open them in view of the camera. Now, from now on, I can't tell. Well, the cards are upside down, so I can't really tell who this is. And on the top, on the back, it looks like Strickland. Let me get my garbage can. Okay, so this is box 2, video 1, pack number 1. Okay, it was a Cavalier on the front. Alright, so here we go. We got John Williams, Mailman Malone, Carl Malone. Excuse me, it's got some snot. Purvis Short. Checklist, and these, so far, these are all quite off-center. Darrell Walker, league leader. Jeff Malone. Charles Smith. Mitch Richmond. Sam Vincent. Charles Shackelford. Kelly Tripucka, or Tripucka, maybe? Derek McKee. Pooh Richardson, and I believe that be a rookie. Todd Lichty, and that be a rookie also. Rod Strickland. Okay, pack 2. There's a Sacramento King on the front, and looks like Otis Thorpe on the back. Harold Presley. Ron Cycle, and if you notice, Jordan is defending him on that card. Larry Nance. Yeah, these are all way off center. Hey, Michael Jordan, but it'd be quite off center. Terry Porter. Byron Scott. And here's the Jordan, but as I said, quite very off center, left to right. Dan Marley. Charles Oakley. Bill Lambier. And we have an insert. Larry Bird, All-Star. Hersey Hawkins. Oh no, this one's centered. Well, yeah, now they're doing alright. Detlef Schrempf. Robert Parrish. Eric Lechner. Otis Thorpe. Let me just check that quickly. Make sure I didn't miss any rookies. Nope, good. Okay. Okay, 76er on the front and somebody Harper maybe on the back. Yeah, Derek Harper. Oh, more horribly off-center cards. Derek Smith, that one's awful centering. Checklist. Danny Shays. Bernard King. This one's off-center, top to bottom. Ken Norman. Chris Mullen. Reggie Theus. Chris Morris. J.R. Reed, and that's a rookie. Xavier McDaniel. Todd Murphy. Lafayette Leva. David Robinson, also extremely off-center. Horrible centering. Fred Roberts. And Derek Harper. Okay, this one's upside down again, so I can't really tell who's on the front. On the back, looks like Pinkney, I think. Yes, Pinkney. Oh, Charles Barkley on the front, and quite well centered actually. George McLeod. Dennis Johnson. Mike Brown. Eric Floyd. And these are all top to bottom off-centered very badly. Cliff Levingston. Danny Young. James Worthy. Will Purdue. Kurt Rambis. Gerald Wilkins. Isaiah Thomas. John Stockton with awful centering. Horrible, really. Yuck. LaSalle Thompson. And Ed Pinkney. I don't know why I had so much trouble saying his name in the other videos. It's just Pink. With a C instead of it just a K. Right, this looks supersonic on the front and on the back. Joe Dumars. Michael Cage. Tony Campbell. Walter Davis. Frank Burkowski. Jay Humphreys. Jay. Oh, John Jay, apparently his name is. Adrian Dantley. Anton Carr. Kevin Edwards. Craig Elo. Kevin Duckworth. And Vlade Divac, a rookie. Bill Cartwright. Jeff Hornacek. Pat Patrick Ewing, another one with pretty crappy centering. I guess that's going to be this whole box. And Joe Dumars. Okay, we got a Nick on the front. And on the back, somebody whose name starts with a C. The last name starts with a C. Trent Tucker. Dennis Rodman. All-star insert Hakeem Olajuwon. Or Hakeem, actually. Pretty awful centering on that one. Mike Gaminsky. Mike Sanders. Kevin McHale. Robert Hansen. Oh, Hakeem. Base card. Spud Webb. Liddell Eccles, something like that. Winston Garland. Tim Hardaway rookie. Terry Catledge. Now, nearly all of the rookies in this set had played, Sam Bowie, had played in the NBA at least one year prior to this set being produced, but they didn't have cards for that year, with the exception of David Robinson, who had played a year, but did have a card produced in 89-90, but not in Fleer. He had it produced in Hoops. Okay, looks like Charles Shackelford on the front, and somebody named Perry on the back. It looks like these are all really off-center as well. Yeah, horribly off-center. Okay. Charles Shackelford. Kelly Tripucka. Derek McKee. Pooh Richardson, and that be a rookie. Todd Lichty, and that be a rookie. Rod Strickland. Alvin Robertson. Sam Perkins. Wayman Tisdale. Billy Thompson. Mark Price. Cliff Robertson, and that's a rookie. And God, awful centering. Wow. Oh my God. Look at this awful centering. Michael Thompson. Stacey King, that's a rookie. And Tim Perry. Okay, only have 2 packs left for this video. Got a Dallas Maverick on the front, and somebody Vincent on the back. Okay, Wennington Bill. Scottie Pippen, and it's actually decent centering. Mark West League leader. Jack Sikma. Blair Rasmussen. Terry Teagle. John Williams. Karl Malone again. Slightly better centering, but not great. Purvis Short. Awful centering. Checklist. Darryl Walker, league leader. Jeff Malone. Charles Smith. Mitch Richmond. And Sam Vincent. Okay, we've got Miami Heat on the front. And somebody Wingate on the back. David Wingate on the back. Okay, Sherman Douglas. Brad Daughtry. Clyde Drexler, and decent centering on this one. Michael Cooper. BJ Armstrong, rookie. Tom Chambers. Maurice Cheeks. Mark Aguirre. Ron Anderson. Vern Fleming. Larry Bird with awful centering. Thurl Bailey. Anthony Bowie. John Battle. And the last card of this video, David Wingate. Okay, so it takes a little bit longer if I show every card, but maybe it's more interesting for you all. So we had two All-Star inserts, Bird and Olajuwon. We had this stack of rookies, including Tim Hardaway, Vlade Divac, and BJ Armstrong. This stack of star-ish cards, including a Jordan, two Karl Malones, Barkley, David Robinson, Stockton, Ewing, Olajuwon, Pippen, Drexler, Bird, blah, 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 blah. And then this many, let's say, commons. This stack. Okay. So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you again next time.